Are you planning to purchase an X-ray machine and wondering what factors to consider? This video will guide you through the key considerations to ensure you make an informed decision. Firstly, regulatory compliance is crucial. The X-ray machine you choose must meet all regulatory standards and certifications applicable to your region. In the United States, for instance, compliance with the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, ensures your machine meets safety and quality standards. Secondly, consider your imaging requirements. What types of examinations will be performed? What level of image quality and resolution do you need? How important are factors such as imaging speed and versatility? You should also decide whether you require a mobile X-ray machine, which is movable, or a fixed type. Thirdly, radiation safety is a key concern. Understand the radiation dose levels emitted by the machine and ensure safety measures are in place to protect patients, operators, and staff from unnecessary radiation exposure. Look for features such as dose monitoring, dose reduction technologies, and shielding. Next, evaluate the machine's workflow capabilities. Consider the ease of use, automation features, and integration with existing imaging systems or picture archiving and communication system, also known as PACS. A user-friendly interface and streamlined workflow can enhance productivity and throughput in your facility. Maintenance and support also play a crucial role. Choose a reputable manufacturer or vendor with a track record of reliability and responsiveness. Consider the availability of technical support, maintenance services, and replacement parts for the X-ray machine. Cost and budget is another important factor. Assess the total cost of ownership, including initial purchase price, installation, training, maintenance, and ongoing operational expenses. Compare different models and vendors to find the best value proposition that fits within your budget constraints. Space and installation requirements should also be evaluated. Ensure that the machine's size, weight, and installation requirements are compatible with the space available in your facility. Consider factors such as room layout, electrical requirements, ventilation, and radiation shielding. Finally, plan for comprehensive training and education for operators and staff who will be using the X-ray machine. Ensure that training programs are provided by the manufacturer or vendor. To recap, before purchasing an X-ray machine, consider regulatory compliance, imaging requirements, radiation safety, workflow efficiency, maintenance and support, cost and budget, space and installation requirements, and training and education. Stay tuned for more informative videos. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.